Hello friends, this is Akshay Kadam, faculty at KSG India. You're listening to me on the platform of KSG Podcast, and on this platform KSG Podcast, today we are going to discuss the topic of role played by startups during pandemics. So guys, we saw in this corona lockdown, large number of startups came up and they helped or eased our way through this lockdown. And that's why startups have very important role to play because they have potential to produce the things at low cost, which are scalable, and they are the ones who can produce a quick solutions. So if such a pandemics get repeated, or even in going currently going on pandemic, how startups can help play a role? And the first important role is that startups can help improve AI powered doctor consultation systems and telemedicine platforms. Okay, major issue during pandemic is getting affected, and the hotspot for these are the hospitals only. And so staying away from hospital is the better way to control pandemic, and for that having best telemedicine platforms where patients can interact or citizens can interact with the doctors, having AI powered doctor consultation system for basic issues of for diseases that are recurring can help us or develop diagnostic solutions, or even providing pharmacies or medicines online or delivering the pharmacies online can help us in a better way in controlling the pandemic. Second area that where startups can play role is hospitality, which is the worst affected area. And so when now hotels and chains are starting again restarting, the best way the hospitality industry can work is providing contactless services where check-ins, check-outs, all these operations happen contactless instead of signing register and so on. And so in post-pandemic world, in a hospitality, the startups can focus on that area and try to provide solutions there. Then contactless commerce, we are already in a digital payments arena where large number of contactless commerce is going on. You have Google Pay, Phone Pay, large number of wallets are there. But still large number areas like in small payments like vegetable sellers or street side vendors, there this contactless commerce is not going on, where in this niche areas startups can help produce solutions for such a small payments and provide contactless commerce everywhere. Then another area that people faced issue even in this corona pandemic was that digital enabling, because suddenly large number of people had to work from the home, and those who wasn't efficient in online platforms using the technology, new technology, updated technology, using new softwares. For example, most teachers in rural schools or other primary schools or government schools, they had to go online, and it was a bit hard for them to adapt to the digital platforms. So digital enabling is a major area where startups could focus on providing consultancy solutions, providing simple call center facilities. These technicians can provide, such as startups can come up, where this is the area which is area with right with the possibilities in the post-COVID pandemic situations. Okay, where large number of people who are digitally illiterate can be trained in enabling them to adopt to the digital platform. So this is the one more area where startups can play a role. Then contactless business operations. Okay, contactless business operations means now when business will restart, people go into the offices, etc., and they're providing contactless operation instead of this swiping their employee ID cards, etc. If startups could develop the solutions like facial recognition system, contactless security screening in at the entrance of the your offices or at the airports or other at factory location, etc., where if we if we make this all the process automatic and contactless, then also pandemics will get controlled by automatically creating social distancing in all these places. Then another area where startups could come up is the mental health and psychological well-being, because having a 3 months lockdown, 4 months lockdown is a general trend in the pandemics, and whenever lockdown happens, staying in a house in a stressful environment, and even when you don't know what will happen in the future, okay, about job security, etc., it affects the psychological well-being. Even those who are addict suffer from withdrawal symptoms, etc. Mental health issues happen, and providing those psychological well-being platforms, like there were many softwares that come up, like Calm is one of such a software that came to just they gave the meditational solutions online. Okay, taught meditation and other practices online. Many such as software startups can come up to provide psychological well-being and mental health management to the people. Okay, Even computer gaming is one of the area to keep people interested, to keep people engaged in some activities, and so they don't feel the psychological pressure. Even in elderly, like those are in the patient of Alzheimer's, etc., computer gaming has proved to be a very good solution to keep them active, their brain active, and so on. So computer gaming is the big area which can play a role in psychological well-being. Then interactive educational platforms for kids, because large number of schools are not started yet, and maybe it's not we don't know when how much time it will take. In such areas, interactive educational platforms for the kids, because kids can't go out and play. In such a case, interactive educational platforms is the area where startups can come up. Okay, there was Katha with Karadi is one such a platform I came across, which tells where the which a startup in which audio stories are taught to the kids. And so this Katha with Karadi, many such a platforms can come up, where interactive educational platform it can provide for the kids, where kids could learn audio stories, and even people can interact with them and narrate them the stories, and so on. And so this is another interactive educational platform where startups can come up. Another is a interactive platforms on same lines for elderly people, where you can't go to the libraries to read books, etc. So large number of even I came across startups where novels are converted into audio book and they can be read. So many such areas can startups play a role. Then now in pandemic, theaters are closed, and so this is actually now creating issue of changing the face of cinema and drama industry. Okay, so in during this time period, large video streaming platforms came up. Many such other platforms can come to stream large number of web series or locally produced content, where startup can come up to cover those cinema and drama industry during the pandemic. Okay, then digital enabling and digital assistant platforms, which I already talked to you about, where digital literacy can be increased, and there they can help in the pandemic. Then another area was robotics. Okay, large number of things like whenever you enter offices, schools, colleges, you have to sanitize your hands, legs, etc. So having a robotic solutions to spray the sanitizer on your hands, etc., or cleaning your premises, etc., will be the best possible solutions. Or while cleaning hospitals, your schools, colleges, etc., robotic solutions will provide much better way of maintaining social distancing and also saving the people's lives. And another area where startups can also play a role is your geographical information system, GIS or GPS systems. For example, our Arogya Setu app also works on that GPS GIS information, which tells you whether you are in Corona hotspot zone or not, etc. Such a many GPS GIS enabled startups can come up. They can have a drone maps where they can monitor the social distancing, where or whether people are coming in too much of contact, where the if infected people, we can GPS GIS tag them and monitor their movements, where they are following lockdown or not, etc. And so by using this digital solution, social distancing norms, etc., can be also help work upon. And so before concluding, guys, startups have large potential to help control the pandemics or help ease our life in pandemic. And for that, we can run programs like hackathons for the pandemics. Okay, where in hackathons, large number of software solutions, software architects can come, and they can develop in those hackathons the solutions specific for the pandemics. And such a hackathons will help us come up with a very different ideas, very new ideas to control our new solutions to control the pandemics. So that's all for now, guys. Thanks for listening.